This bathroom hadn't been renovated in 15 years and it desperately needed an update. The finishes were dated, there was a lack of storage, the shower fixtures weren't completely functional, and despite having a window, the space felt dark. I couldn't wait to take it all down to the studs and start fresh. I partnered with the Home Depot to give the small bathroom a dream makeover. I knew I wanted to go with a classic, elevated look and needed a jumping off point, so I began by looking at vanities online. I fell in love with this dark gray and marble vanity and thought it'd pair perfectly with a marble mosaic. I didn't have a lot of time, so a one-stop shop really appealed to me. The fixtures and lighting were next on my list, so I picked up what I needed right in store. Since we were taking it right down to the studs, it was the perfect time to make any structural changes. So we decided to make the small bathroom feel bigger by elevating the ceilings and adding a Velux sun tunnel. The sun tunnel was an easy and affordable way to bring in natural light into the space, so we placed it right in the middle of the bathroom for maximum impact. Once the drywall was up, the tub went in and it was time for the tile to be laid. To frame the feature wall, we used a white subway tile up the walls and across the ceiling. For a personal touch, I thought it would be nice to add an old salvage door to the new linen closet. We found a stunning Egyptian door, but it needed a bit of work. So while the contractors were finishing the bathroom, I stripped away the grime and finished it with a coat of oil. I love how bright and functional the new bathroom is. We made it bright with the sun tunnel and a pale palette. We used a marble brick on the floor, laid in a herringbone pattern to add a graphic element to the space. And to really accentuate the veining in the marble, we chose a gray grout. The stunning leaf-shaped mosaic was used as a feature wall in the shower, and it's definitely a showstopper. We added 2 large niches in the shower to provide storage for all of their daily products, and added a rain head, which is a really nice luxurious touch. The vanity I ordered online did not disappoint. The marble top is stunning and the small drawers provide plenty of storage. We chose a round mirror, and instead of a vanity light, we went with pendant lighting for a more decorative look. It's always exciting to see such a beautiful transformation, and I'm thrilled with how this bathroom turned out. And so is the cat.